You would have heard people saying, I work on the latest SAP software version. I work on ECC 6.0 EHP 7. I work on S4 HANA 1610. I'm working on SAP S4 HANA 2020. But how do you actually check which version of SAP you are working on? Hello everyone, I am Murtaza Mahmood Sayed again, and welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Purchasing Experts. Today we'll check how to exactly know which version of SAP you are working on. So, without any further delay, let's get into the system. So, let's just check which version of SAP this is. So, this is SAP Easy Access screen. I just logged into a system. See, this is how the Easy Access screen looks. You need to go to the menu bar, click on System, then go to Status. Yes, and then, yep, you'll see this pop-up coming up. And just mind well, this is ACP 770 logon pad that has been installed. That's why you see a different form of the screen out here. Now you need to click on the details in front of the product version. This magnifying glass signifies details. Click here and you'll see another pop-up called as installed software. You need to click on installed product versions, and here we go. So this SAP logon is for SAP S/4HANA 2021, and by far this is the latest version that's going on in the market. Just let me know how you like this video. Update your comments down below. Smash the like button, click on subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest notification of the latest video releases of my YouTube channel. So until my next video, thank you very much and see you again soon. Bye bye.